Welcome to the channel God is Science or Science is God. Today's video is second part of the video. Life beyond physical existence exists as a quantum particle. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel and press the notification icon so you can get the notification for the concluding part 3 of this video. What if the essence of life, the very soul or Atma, as referred to in ancient scriptures, existed not as an abstract concept but as a tangible quantum particle? A particle that could be scientifically studied and understood, much like the photons that make up light. Could such a particle, which we'll refer to as the lifeton, be the missing link in our understanding of life, death, and perhaps even reincarnation? To understand this, let's first consider the behavior of a photon. When a photon is generated from a source, it carries a certain amount of energy, which it delivers onto the retina, forming the image of the source. However, if a photon is reflected off a surface, it absorbs energy from that surface, which it then delivers onto the retina, allowing us to see the object. Now let's pivot to the Bhagavad Gita, an ancient Indian scripture. In chapter 2, verses 18 and 19, it states that the Atma is indestructible and does not interact with other matter. Similarly, in chapter 13, verse 32, it suggests that this Atma, though dwelling in the body, neither acts nor is tainted. These verses suggest two properties of the Atma or lifeton. It is indestructible and it does not interact with other matter. Further, verses 20 and 21 of chapter 2 state that the Atma is never born and never dies, likening it to changing clothes, suggesting that it switches from one body to another. This implies that the lifeton is a fundamental particle that has always existed and can interact with the body. Finally, verse 23 of chapter 2 states that no weapon can cut it, fire cannot burn it, water cannot wet it, and wind cannot dry it, indicating that the lifeton is indivisible, indestructible, and does not interact with anything. It only leaves the body at the time of death to inhabit another body. Comparing these properties with those of a photon, we can propose the following properties for the lifeton. Like a photon, a lifeton is a massless particle, capable of traveling at the speed of light. Lifetons carry energy which they deliver onto the DNA, potentially bringing about changes. They cannot be detected in the living body due to their lack of rest mass, making them elementary particles. Lifetons are generated at the time of death by the biological process we all experience. Upon generation, like a photon, they pick up energy from the source and deliver it to the surface where they attach. Lifetons cannot interact with any matter apart from DNA. While this theory raises fascinating possibilities, we still need to gather more evidence regarding how the lifeton carries information from one DNA to another. Does it hold the key to understanding the mysteries of life, death, and what lies beyond? Only time and further research will tell.